When a cyber criminal holds your company for ransom, what should you do? Should you pay? Should you try to bargain? That's what we're discussing today. Imagine this. You start your day ready for work, but when you open your computer, you find a ransomware note demanding $250,000 in Bitcoin and threatening to destroy your data within 24 hours. What would you do? While most cybersecurity experts, including the FBI, advise against paying, there is no one-size-fits-all answer. For instance, when Colonial Pipeline faced a shutdown of its fuel supply across the US in 2021, it felt it had no choice but to pay a whopping $4.4 million in ransom. Paying the ransom can feel like a quick fix, but it's risky. Here's why experts generally advise against it. One, it doesn't guarantee data recovery. Many victims still end up with corrupted files anyway. Two, it might invite more attacks. Paying once shows hackers you're a willing target. Three, legal and ethical implications. You could be funding criminal or even terrorist activities. Or four, double extortion. Hackers may still leak your data even after you pay. But let's say you decide to pay. What then? Well, ideally, the hackers decrypt your data, but decryptors can fail. Your sensitive data might still end up on the dark web. If payment seems unavoidable, consider these steps first. Engage a professional ransomware negotiator. Check what your cybersecurity insurance covers, and trust experienced advisors. To pay or not to pay. While we strongly recommend against it, each situation is unique. Evaluate all angles, consult experts, and consider the well-being of your stakeholders. The best strategy, however, is prevention. Back up your data regularly, enforce strict access controls, foster a culture of cybersecurity awareness, and make sure you have cybersecurity insurance. It's a tough decision, but being prepared can help you avoid this dilemma altogether. For more cybersecurity insights, subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, stay safe, and remember, knowledge is your best defense against cyber threats.